2023 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. RT or Scat Pack? RT, my bad, one more time. 2023 Dodge Challenger RT. It's got the 5.7, guys. We're slapping a custom G-Pack system on it. Got the green carbon fibers out the back. This thing's gonna look sweet, it's gonna sound sweet, it's gonna make some performance. Let me show you what it looks like. So we got the mid mufflers over the G-Packs. You guys can see the size difference. Obviously, this is built for performance. This is built for sound reduction. This is built for no performance. This is built for max performance. All right, guys, let me show you the stock system. We got the stock resonators in the back. We got the factory tips with this weird reduction. We're gonna eliminate all that, run some 3-inch pipe, upgrade the back to the carbon fiber G exhaust tips, green carbon fiber to match the paint. All right, and then on the back end, you got 2.7-inch piping with the factory valves. We're not touching these. These are unnecessary. You do not have to touch those right now. Unless they start rattling in the future, super common problem. We have a video on that as well, guys. Right here in the midsection, we're swapping out the mid mufflers for the G-Packs and create that rumble, guys. I'm so blessed. All right, so we got the Challenger RT on the lift. We're doing a midsection, custom G-Pack system on the back. We just finished this M8. We did a top secret job. Can't tell you guys much about it. I can show you guys the back.
Did you say M8?
I did say M8. It's not an M8. It's a X5 Competizione. If Matt figures out how to put this thing in drive, maybe he can move it up and show us how the tips look. He won't figure it out. He's not going to figure it out. He just paused and looked at me for assistance. He refuses to figure it out.
What's up?
I need you to put it in drive so you can move forward a little bit. There you go. He got it. He got it. All right. So this is the X5m Competizione. We slapped the carbon fiber and performance tips. These are a little bit bigger. Usually the G80s are the new body style. The G80s are a little bit bigger, the M performance tips. So these are the new style tips. They're just a little fatter. Fill out that cutout. As you guys can see, it looks factory. Sweet, sweet setup. Got the Nardo gray paint job. You got face over here. Maricon. Una maricon right here, bro. Matt, give me some revs. Jeez. Put it in Sport Plus, 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 Plus. No, you idiot. Get the away from me.
11.
Get the out of here. This is Manny. Unfortunately, it's my family member. Another one of my family members. That's Jay. All my family. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. If you guys give me some YouTube money, maybe I could get the out of here, all right? Anyways, this is the M5 Competizione, X6, I mean X5 competition. Guys, bro. Give us some revs, Matt. Sick. One more rev. Hell yeah. You heard those burbles? Burbles certified by G Exhaust, all right? All right, Matt, take off. You guys can see BMW laser beams for headlights, which is pretty sick. Car's got the Nardo gray with the black trim. X5M, got the red guts with the carbon fiber everywhere. You guys can see it. Carbon fiber, Harman Kardon. It's pretty sick. It's got an M1 button, M2 button, traction control currently off, and the sweet wheels. Got the M Competizione wheels, carbon fiber tips, carbon fiber license plate. You know, got the gray paint job. Just a sweet truck. I mean, what more can you ask for? V8 twin turbo, red interior, gray outside, candy paint. I'm just kidding. It's not candy paint. It's Nardo gray. It's like a flat. But just one more rev for you guys, and that's it. Back to the RT. Got the G-Packs installed, got the green carbon fibers looking sweet, sounding crispy. I'm gonna rev it for you guys so you guys can hear it. Go ahead, Matt. If you guys like this video, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube. Go to gexhaust.com if you're not local. G Exhaust Oakland, G Exhaust Davie, G Exhaust out.